Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to quickly lock your folder with a password. To lock your folder with a password, you can do the following. We will use one free application called Folder Spark. The link is in my description box. You can use the link to download it, then follow my steps to install the application. Now set the master password for the first time. Then follow my steps to lock the folder. The same way you can unlock the folder. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.